On the Vox IP phone system, you can have up to 3 parties and yourself on a conference call, internally or externally. If you need to make that call externally, just make sure you add your access code. If you need more than that, then you're probably looking to add the conference bridge. But for this, we're just going to show how to do 3 parties at one time, and the process is the same over and over. Once the call comes in, you're going to press the soft key under the LCD screen of conferences. And once again, the phone call comes in. We'll see the fast flash on the phone. You'll answer that one line, and then you're going to reach up and you're going to press conferences under the LCD screen. The conferences only becomes available when you're on an active call. You'll dial that destination where it's internal, external. Press call to send that call. When that third party answers, then you come back and you can hit conferences one more time, and now those calls are all together on the same line. And you can repeat this up to 2 more times. And that's how we conference on the Vox IP phone system.